sometimes the party securing 40% votes is getting 70% seats, and sometimes the party securing 40% votes is not getting even 20% seats. Stop. We are witnessing this in many parliamentary elections and assembly elections. Stop. So the present system is defective. Stop. Therefore, in my opinion, the system of proportional representation would be a better alternative. Stop. Para. Of course, this system also has its own advantages and disadvantages. Stop. We have to consider the advantages as well as the disadvantages of this system. Stop. Under this system, one argument is that coalition government will come to power and there will be instability either in the center or in the states, and the leadership of the political parties becomes arbitrary and dictatorial. Stop. But what I want to say is that the party presently in power under the present system does not enjoy majority in parliament. Stop. Both in the 9th Lok Sabha elections and the 10th Lok Sabha elections, majority party did not come to power. Stop. We cannot come to the conclusion that coalition government will be a failure and will not be stable, because in West Bengal coalition government is continuing and is stable. Stop. So I think that proportional representation system would be suitable for the country. Stop. Sir, elections are being held throughout the year in one state or the other. Stop. My suggestion is that elections should be held only once in 5 years, either in the beginning of the year or in February or in March for Lok Sabha, state assemblies, etc. Stop. Should be held simultaneously, which would reduce the expenditure of government candidates and parties and prevent rigging and booth capturing. Also. Stop. Often it so happens that rigging and booth capturing takes place in the later part of the day, leading to clashes. Stop. In order to avoid this, stop, identity cards should be issued now. Stop. Para. Sir, I have hearing the members' views about electoral reforms based on the resolution moved by the honorable member. Stop. Basically, this resolution deals with the postponement of elections by the Election Commission during the recent elections. Stop. From the postponement of these elections, the mover of the resolution suggests that we should go in for electoral reforms. Stop. The other members who have spoken have also given some valuable suggestions for the proposed electoral reforms. Stop. We from the Congress party are committed for electoral reforms which will enable the voter to reflect this views and elect proper candidates who he would like to get into power. Stop. I agree with some of the suggestions made by the honorable members. Stop. From the days we have seen a number of elections. Stop. Broadly, except one or two elections, the choice of our voters has been correct. Stop. They have been choosing the right party which did good to the people. Stop. Most of them are poor, but still they have been going in the right direction. Stop. Democracy in the country has been established and is going to continue in this country. Stop. But from the experience from elections to election, we have to think of some changes so that the will of the people will prevail. Stop.